I'm going to give you a quick introduction to active reading. Active reading is a reading course at 6 levels from elementary all the way through to advanced. We're going to look at a couple of exercises from elementary and then jump up to advanced and take a quick look at that too. So let's start by clicking in here. Each level has 10 units. Each unit has a theme, like finding a home, and a reading skill, like reading for information. Let's take a look. The unit starts off with an introduction from a teacher telling you what you're going to learn.
Hi, what kind of home do you live in? Is it a flat or a house?
Okay, the topic for this unit is homes. We're going to look at advertisements for homes. So let's click in. We won't watch the whole video, we'll just click into the first activity. By the way, you can also use this on your mobile. So let's take a look at mobile view. And I'll take it back to desktop view. Okay, we start off with the vocabulary for the unit. It's really important to know the words you're going to see in the advertisements. So you find a bed in the bedroom. Maybe you know the words. If not, this is a good opportunity to learn them. We can get marking when we've finished, see the answers, and click forward into the next activity. These are the 4 advertisements. They're all from real websites. It's a great opportunity to work with genuine, authentic English. The questions are on the right. The kind of questions you might ask when looking at these advertisements. So let's say you've got a car. Which home has a garage? Okay, we can see it here. DT77. And see the answers. Okay, now there are more exercises. We're really going to work hard on this text, and then at the end we're going to get out onto the internet and look at some real home advertisements in New York, London and Sydney. The other part of the unit is the resource bank. If I click on here, I'll show you that as well as having interactive exercises, you've got paper-based exercises that you can print out, work on, mark and stick in your folder. And while you're doing all of these activities, the program is monitoring your progress, and at any time we can look at a progress report. Here we can see our coverage. This is how much we've done. I can compare how I'm doing with everybody else who's using the program in the world. I'm doing very badly, obviously, and we have other reports, and at the end you can get your very own certificate. Okay, so that's elementary level. How much more difficult is it at the advanced level? Let's click into Unit 2, Ecotourism, interesting topic, and the reading skill is observation and inference. What is that? Let's take a look.
Imagine that one day you see your friend driving along the road. Only, instead of driving her usual old car, she is at the wheel of a brand new, top-of-the-range BMW. What do you think?
What do you think? Okay, well first we can hear that the language here is much more complex. And the topic, you've got the facts, your friend's driving a BMW. What is the meaning that you bring to that? Let's have that explained a little bit more. So I'm going to click on Getting Started. And we're going to look at these 4 sentences. He put down $20 at the window. The woman behind the window gave him $4. The person next to him gave him $8, but he gave it back to her. So when they went inside, she bought him a large popcorn. Okay, those are the facts. What meaning do you bring to it? Where are they? Who are they? What is the relationship between the people? So in this unit, we're going to look at a number of texts and we're going to explore the concept of facts and meaning. Okay, that's the advanced level of active reading. We've looked at a couple of exercises from elementary, a couple from advanced. Why not go to the Clarity English website and take a look at some units, some exercises from the other 4 levels.